Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Fluxer account. So let's get straight into it. So now open user settings, which are located down in the bottom left corner next to your name and logo. So click on the gear icon, and what you need to do, basically just scroll down. So what we need to do is basically scroll down, or we have here under the security and login. If you click on that and now you can scroll down, you will see here that you can disable account, and then after that you can delete account. When you click this, you will go through some prompt. So you will need to put in why and so on. And yeah, this is pretty much everything, but you need to know that this is permanently deleted, so then you can't recover any data which you had here in the Fluxer. And yeah, so I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.